Through how this shipping process works tonight. The massive undertaking is expected to start within 24 hours of the FDA giving the green light, which happened just after 9 o'clock tonight. Pfizer says most of the vaccines will ship from Kalamazoo, Michigan. Doses will then be loaded into trucks, moved to airports, and shipped by planes to places around the country. Then they're delivered by ground with the help of FedEx and UPS. During the whole process, the vaccines have to be kept cold. Pfizer says it uses GPS-enabled thermal sensors to track the location and the temperature of each shipment.